Hi Catherine, you'll never guess what I've just stumbled upon in this bustling plaza. A monumental, vibrant hot air balloon, completely deflated, is resting on the cobblestone pavement, creating an utterly surreal tableau. The entire spectrum of colors from the blue, red, and yellow panels is sprawled across the ground, and the text "Global Ventures" and "Adventure Awaits" is emblazoned across its side. A police officer in a dark blue uniform is currently in deep conversation with a man clad in a bright orange pilot suit, right next to the wicker basket, likely discussing the details of this unforeseen landing. A second officer is also on hand, standing right near the basket to assist with the situation. Crowds of onlookers are captivated by this unusual sight, and quite a few are holding up their phones to document the event. The contrast between this immense, colorful fabric and the grand, historic architecture is simply stunning. It feels like I've walked into a bizarre street performance. Tell me, Catherine, have you ever encountered a sight like this on a city street? It's truly a first for me.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website testpass.ca and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.